In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of using the Binance widget on your iPhone. To begin, you'll need to add a widget to your home screen. Scroll through the available options until you find the Binance widgets, which come in various configurations, allowing you to track cryptocurrency prices, monitor your favorites, and view more detailed information. For this example, let's select the Crypto List widget, which displays the current prices and 24-hour price changes for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. Once you've chosen the widget, simply tap Add to place it on your home screen. Now you can see the Binance widget on your iPhone, showcasing the real-time prices and price movements for the selected cryptocurrencies. If you want to delve deeper into the data, simply tap on the widget and it will open the Binance app, providing you with more detailed charts and analytics. This straightforward process allows you to quickly access your favorite cryptocurrency information right from your iPhone's home screen, making it a convenient tool for tracking market trends and staying up to date with your investments. Remember to like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.